What do you think?
I think it's kind of a hidden gem. I mean, where else are you going to get power and water for free? A water park, a pool park for kids, and it has not been full since we've been here. So, granted, we got here on what, a Monday?
Sunday.
No, we got here on a Sunday.
Yeah, Father's Day.
And even coming in on a Sunday, and we came in about mid-afternoon, it wasn't full. Plenty of space. And our trailer, it's 35 foot. Now we're barely fitting, but we fit. There's a fifth wheel down there that fits. There's a Class A that fits. So it can be tight for the bigger rigs. But I think it's been pretty awesome.
Have you had fun? Sweaty every day on the playground, riding your bike. We haven't made it to the pool. It's been too busy, huh? But, so.
You can swing around and see our site, and you can see how we fit in it. Now, granted, there's a lot of sites that have trees at the back of them, so it'd be harder to fit a longer trailer, but.
And right below us, there's a little creek area down that hill. It's a grassy area with a creek. So we're right off of 80.
Yeah, you're actually on the, what do they call it?
I-80 bypass or business?
No, it's the 80, whatever, when you take something other than the main thing. So it runs parallel. No, it's not
extension.
A bypass. It's
Business or extension?
No.
Okay.
It's
Doesn't
like
matter. It doesn't matter.
I can't remember. But anyhow, it
Let me
runs
show you.
parallel to 80.
So we just pulled as far back as we could, and we fit.
Alternative.
Same thing. It's behind us. So it's really pretty. It's crazy that it's free and electric and water hookups. You don't really find that. So you can stay here up to 4 days.
I-80 alternate.
Oh, jeez.
And it's between York and Grand Island, Nebraska. You're almost right smack dab in the middle. Aurora.